Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. Now, as of late, you guys have been asking me to do more cooking things, and you know I absolutely love my power air fryer. So here's a quick video to show you guys exactly how you can make flaming hot Cheetos fried wings using your power air fryer. Check out my ebook, www.theman7.5.com. Also have a PayPal donation link in the description of the video. Let's get right to the wings. Yes, wings. All right, so this is my setup. I have my chicken already clean, and I have the baked 50% less fat flaming hot Cheetos. Of course, I have a rack that's going to go into the power air fryer oven. Let's get started. All right, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your bag of Cheetos. Now, I use the whole bag. Full disclosure, this is my first time even trying it. I didn't even go online and find any other recipes. I'm just going to use my method. If you're not familiar with my fried chicken wing method with the power air fryer oven, I'm going to leave a link in the description of the video. Look, doing it this way just wasn't getting it, so I had to be creative. I mean, smashing them up like that wasn't getting it. So if you have a food processor, you can use it. I was too lazy to break mine out, so I just used this little blender. Now, full disclosure, trial and error all the way, people. You seen right here, it was getting stuck a little bit. I just shook it up, but it works absolutely fine. Really got it down to that nice, fine pottery type of texture to ensure that the wings was coated front and back nice and evenly. Again, I use one bag and just repeat until you get the bag done. Now we have the texture form that we want. Just go ahead and put your chicken in there and coat it as if you was going to deep fry it. Easy, guys. And you can see using that little blender really allowed for it to be nice and fine. Really have that powder texture. And as you tell in this video shot, the chicken is being coated really well. And that's the key to making sure that it's coated through and through. All right, since we're family, I know y'all not going to share this with anyone, but here's the trick to frying with the power air fryer oven. My secret, I like to coat it with a nice light oil, such as coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil. All right, so go ahead and put my racks into my power air fryer. If you watch any of my cooking videos with my power air fryer, you know I use this thing a bunch. I mean, till all the words came off. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the chicken preset, turn it up to 400, go 5 minutes over, and halfway I'm gonna rotate the rack. All right, look like they're done. Go ahead and take them out. And this is what you have right here. Let's go ahead and plate them and see how they taste. Now, before I go ahead and dig off into it, I just want you guys to see that it is very crunchy. Now, my fear was that it was gonna come out soft, but it's not, man. It's crunchy, nice and crunchy. Let's go ahead and eat it. All right, so let's see what we have here. Of course, I have my mac and cheese, and I also have some liquid cheese as a dipping sauce. But like I said, there's a couple of things I would try different as far as like coating it. I probably make like an egg batter to help the coating stick on it a little better. Some of the coating coming off. And my fear was that it was gonna just be like a hot mess, guys. I was scared that it was just gonna be mushy. You know how you wet like a chip? I thought that the juices from the chicken just was gonna wet it up, but it have a nice texture. Try it out. It's unique, but it's good, man. Very good. Cheetos really just give it like that hot flavor. It maintains its texture a lot more than what I thought it would. You already know how to air fry cook it. All right, there you have it. Flaming hot Cheetos from the air fryer. Maybe I shouldn't talk with my mouth full, but it's so good. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. The only channel that's bringing you technology and how technology changed our life using a power air fryer, Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Last week it was po' boy tripes. This week, Flamin' Hot Cheeto Wings. Until next time, it's your boy taking the bathroom. Don't forget to subscribe. Y'all really gonna sit there and just watch me eat? Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.